place.
You can go right now.
Yeah, sure.
So you're taking border?
Yeah, we are taking border. Cool kaje. Yeah, you good? Nataka tupeleke, I want you to take us to Manyanja.
Manyanja Road.
Yeah, Manyanja Road.
How many of you?
3 of us.
3 of us?
Yes.
Just 150.
150? Okay, it's okay. So, Taca, I think you can board my friend.
No, you climb first, man.
What do you mean climb? You climb first because I'm with my girlfriend.
Oh, so you want to sit behind us so that you'll be touching Anyash, right?
What do you mean, bro? This is my girlfriend. If I stay at behind with her, okay.
No.
Get on the motorbike. Get on the motorbike. You want to go?
Okay, maybe I should
You're
go
wasting
first.
time.
Should I?
Okay, babe. Just because you guys understand each other, it's okay. I can just go. Let me
You're
climb.
wasting time. You're wasting time.
Okay. And don't disturb my girlfriend.
Oh, it's so hot.
Extend.
Baby, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing?
No, there's
I told you not to catch my girlfriend.
No, there's nothing. No, we can go, nothing.
Tell me. Baby, are you okay?
Yeah, but it's touching me.
What is your hand? What is your hand doing there?
What's up, bro?
You're wasting time.
Look, you
Okay,
know
let's
what?
go.
Yeah, we go.
Let's go. Hey, is a clear camera.